back again. I'm tagging this one on the end of the slide video. This is a tune that I want to play for you. Is a song by Mississippi Fred McDowell, and I think Aerosmith re-recorded it on the album Honkin' on Bobo, and it's called Back Back Train, and it's using that same slide pattern of the 3rd fret, the 5th fret, and I don't even know if it ever gets to the 7th fret in this one, but we're going to try it out and play it for you. This is Back Back Train. Well, I look way down that lonesome road. Look way down that lonesome road. Way, way down, way, way down, way, way down that lonesome road. My back, back train gonna get you home. Back, back train gonna get you home. Back, back train, back, back train, now back, back train, gonna get you home. Well, so that's Back Back Train by Mississippi Fred McDowell. And I'm playing it, basically, it's such a simple little riff. It's I'm starting off on the A string, the bottom, the D string, down here, the 2nd D string up. And I basically am jumping back and forth from the 3rd fret. And what I'm doing, this is what's kind of a neat slide technique, is you start a little bit below the fret, and you slide up to the fret. You hear how it kind of bends into the note? And incidentally, I think this technique is what kind of gave rise to a lot of country singers, where they kind of bend into the note. It's something that was common in bluegrass slide music. It was common in blues slide music. It was also common in bluegrass music, where they slide up to it. Well, this way, you're not sliding quite all the way. You're not down here on the 2nd fret, because that'd sound like that. You're just kind of in the middle. And so when I play that lick, I slide up to that fret, then I pull off, then I play the bottom string, and I slap it down and play the strings again right there at the 3rd fret, and then I play the next string up again. So it's just back and forth. There I might slide up a little bit more, but I don't quite get all the way up to that 4th fret, but then for variation, I might jump up and play it the octave up here on the upper 2 strings. And then I might do that little wiggle with my hand right there. You just slide back and forth real fast. It's kind of like B.B. King's Butterfly Tremolo, or Eric Clapton bending a note real quick, but it's sliding real fast with that slide. And if you're wanting to play a solo, you can use any note from any 4 strings open on the 3rd fret, the 5th fret, or the 7th fret, so you can kind of jump around. That's one of my licks that I like to use a lot, where I pick, I'm just going like this, back and forth between the top two strings, and the pattern is third, open, fifth, open, third, and then I jump down to the next string down on the third, and then open on the third, or open on the last string. I don't even know where that came from or how I came up with that, and I don't even know if it's a common blues lick, but to me it just feels really comfortable when I'm used to picking back and forth like this. I use it for lots of different fill effects. So I hope that you enjoyed learning about slide, and if you don't have a slide, don't worry. I've made several slides out of, I haven't made too many out of glass, but I have made a lot out of copper pipe. I've made some out of aluminum pipe. I've made some out of chrome steel pipe, and I've made some out of, like I said, various types of sockets. So find something that works for you. And on a mandolin, most sockets work really well. So if you want to start playing slide on the mandolin, just find a little socket that fits your finger and get to work. I think you'll sound great. God bless, and I hope you have a great day.